We are in the not so sunny Blackpool, and we're just at the Norbrick Hotel. Do you remember that video? This is the famous Norbrick Hotel that you all loved. The last video we did a review. It wasn't great, it wasn't the best, so we're going to stay somewhere else.
Room with a view.
Can't complain for the price.
Oh, I've got the tower.
Where all you can feel is springs. You've got a sink in the room, no toilet, and the place is a bit of a dump. You look at these curtains with a bit of bird on there. You know that's just unacceptable. This, absolutely rotten. So we're in a wet, cold, miserable town centre of Blackpool, and we're looking for the £1 burger, which is famous right across the nation, on TikTok, on Facebook, and I think we might have found it. So we've been through the town centre, we've had a little nosy around. We're staying in some sort of crack den for under £20 a night, which we're going to show you that as well. Look at them. Skirting boards are minging, walls are minging, drawers are minging. At the top, disgusting. If you're not following me on TikTok, get over to dadlovesfood.travel. Oh, let's go to some arcades. Off Big the movie. I want to be big. I want to be big.
I wish I were big. Your wish is granted.
But we're not here to go on the arcades. We're here to find the £1 burger, the famous £1 burger. Where are you?
I recognise that face. You're one of these famous blogger people, aren't you? That looks food.
Nice to meet you, mate.
Pleased to meet you. Hello guys, welcome to Higgins' famous £1 burger. As seen on TV, as seen on YouTube, and apparently as seen on TikTok. I don't really do TikTok because I don't really understand that kind of thing, but he's a TikTok dog. This is the Messiah of TikTok apparently.
Thank you very much, mate.
So I can't believe it. I've had all the big boys round here, and I was wondering when you were going to come here. Are you going to try the legendary £1 burger?
All of them, mate. Anything you sell for £1.
So we'll have a £1 burger.
That's the one, mate.
Here we go, £1 burger. Would you want onions, young man?
Perfectly. Somebody in jet. Look at that. That is service with a smile.
Any sauce? Petrol people. See, I'm not normally this happy. I'm normally a right miserable sod, yeah, but you put a camera in front of me. I love it. I'm just so vain. All YouTubers and bloggers are all the same, aren't they?
We are,
Yeah, we really are. We really are. It's just such a massive ego trip, that's all it is.
What's your YouTube name? Ah, here we go. He's got it full on there.
I'm Chrissy, YouTube Virgin. I'm the YouTube Virgin, and I'm also the Blackpool Daddy, the #1 £1 daddy in this town. And that's just £1. Can you believe it? Just £1, not a fiver, not £7, £1. £1 fish, £1 fish. Unbelievable. There you go. You get that, I get that.
Thank you very much, pal.
See you later, guys. I hope you enjoy it.
Burger, onions, ketchup, just for the quids. Couldn't be more perfect. Yes, yes, yeah. So far, Blackpool is dirt cheap. Pound this, pound that, pound burger, pound candy floss, £1.80 a pint in the Hardwick. Absolute fixes. There you go, 3 more goes. Couldn't be more perfect. Yes, yes, yes. That's it there, come on. And this is Jesmond Hotel in Blackpool for less than £20 a night. Can't take the food in because we'll get fined. Welcome to my palace. You know, you can't complain.
Room with a view.
You can't complain for the price.
Oh, I've got the tower.
But when you've got, look at that, the mattress, where all you can feel is springs. You've got a sink in the room, no toilet, and the place is a bit of a dump.
Looks big if you zoom in.
Ah, this bed. I have to take some painkillers before I go to sleep.
Nice little picture above your beds. Takeaway food is not allowed. Shared toilet. Wardrobe.
That lock definitely doesn't look the safest. So this is the Hotel Jesmond International in Blackpool, and the reason we booked this, it was the cheapest hotel online. It cost us just under £20. I think because I booked so many hotels on booking.com, we got it for £19.20. Now, when something's that cheap, you can't really complain. So it's not, as I'm saying, it's not worth £20. It's definitely worth £20, but even at 20 quid, you would expect the place to be clean. You know, liquor paint every year, cleaned after every person leaves, and I don't think that's the case here. Let's take a look at the room. So you walk in, you have an electric radiator, full of dust, full of smeg. And again, look at these, look at this. Skirting boards, the walls, wardrobe is everything's minging. 2 single beds. Now the mattresses are really, really thin. You can just do this with your hand. Really thin. Not a standard single bed either. They're even smaller. The pillow is almost like tissue-like. You have to fold it maybe 6 or 7 times just to offer a little bit of support to your head. It's not great, you know. It is basic. You do get what you pay for. It's got a kettle, teas, sugars, coffee. The windows, again, just a bit of TLC, a full, well, not even TLC, it needs a full scrub down, then regular TLC. You look at these curtains with a bit of bird on there. You know, that's just unacceptable. This, absolutely rotten. You got a sink in the room, no toilet. The toilet's next door, which we're going to show you in a second. It does come with soap. There's a bonus. Comes with a very small TV on the wall. Matsui. And it's just a bit run down, dirty. You know, probably get a quick clean of the beds after each use, but even the carpets don't look great. Like, again, look at them. Skirting boards are minging, walls are minging, drawers are minging. At the top, disgusting. And then this flap of wallpaper just for the sake of it. Instead of just cutting it in the right place, we'll just whack it over there. Why not there? Why not? So Lee's going to show you the shower area, which is worse than the room. But then you also have some rules. If you smoke in the room, £50 charge. No drugs allowed. Alcohol, no alcohol allowed. Takeaway food, if you bring takeaway food in, you're getting charged £30 cleaning charge. Ouch. Late checkout, £10. This is Jesmond International.